This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Lift the safety catch and open the bonnet. Unclip the prop and support the bonnet. The battery is located on the left-hand side of the engine compartment. Slacken the retaining nut and with a twisting motion, pull the negative lead clamp from the battery terminal. Position the lead to one side to prevent accidental reconnection. Slacken the nut and disconnect the positive lead clamp from the battery. Undo the nuts and remove the battery top clamp plate. Lift the battery from place. Take care as it's heavy. Remove any dirt and debris from the battery tray. Manoeuvre the battery into the tray with the negative terminal at the rear. Refit the top clamp plate and tighten the retaining nuts securely. Press the positive lead clamp firmly down onto the battery positive terminal and tighten the clamp nut securely. Reconnect the negative lead to the battery negative terminal and tighten the clamp nut. Clip the prop back into place. Firmly close the bonnet and check it's secure.